Hi there. By now it's no secret that ReadyLIFT has had a lot of fun lifting crossovers. And in 2019, RAV4 introduced a new platform, and we're up to speed. This is a 2-inch kit courtesy of a front strut spacer that's offset to maintain factory angles, a 1.5-inch rear courtesy of a spring spacer and a cradle drop. Now this all makes room for a 245 65-inch tire on a 17-inch wheel, in this case a 17x8 plus 38. Toyota Safety Sense is standard on the 2019 RAV4, and we have tested each of its functions, from lane departure, adaptive cruise control, and collision avoidance. All functions performed as they did stock. This 2-inch ReadyLIFT kit performs awesome on-road and off with improved stance, the added benefit of increased ground clearance. By allowing for a plus-size all-terrain tire, this kit gets you where you want to go with confidence and style. Make sure you follow us on Instagram, like us on YouTube, and love us on Facebook. To learn more about this kit, check out ReadyLIFT.com. Thanks.